Summer breeze came from the sea. Nighttime dances, colored pills. Morning sex under the tree. All in all, it was my fault. Don't you see I'm feeling blue? But he believes in oil and gold, while I believe in you.
Kemei 1949 Professional Hair Clipper All-Metal Men Electric Cordless Hair Trimmer 0mm Bald-Headed T-Blade Finish Haircut Machine. Specification Brand Name, Kemei Gender, Male, Female, Child Power Type, Rechargeable Use, Face, Beard, Mustache, Barber. Voltage, 100 to 240 volts. Charging time, 2.5 hours. Working time, 180 minutes. Power, 5W. Model number, KM1949. Engine, very powerful. Color, silver. Material, ABS plus metal. Battery, 1400 mAh. Feature, all-metal hair clipper. Professional barber tool, or home use. 1400 mAh. Lithium battery. Fast charging and strong power. Package included, 1X hair clipper, 1X protective cover, 1X USB cable not included, charger adapter, 1X cleaning brush, 1X manual, 3X limit combs. Price, $34.10. Check description for purchase link. Thanks for watching.